Hello, I'm going to show you how to put on proper attire for a surgical procedure. So make sure you're sterile. So the first one you're going to want to do is put your cap on. You want to make sure all your hair is in, that nothing's sticking out, and it's all in the cap. The next part is your surgical mask. There's a bendy part that goes right on the bridge of your nose, so you bend it just to fit it accordingly. And then you tie the top. And then the bottom. Next is the most important part, is for scrubbing in. This is the 4% chlorhexidine scrub brush. So, I'm going to turn the water on. And the first thing that's in there is a pick. This is what you use to clean out your fingernails. You don't want any dirt or anything in there before you go into surgery. So you just take this real quick and clean out all the excess debris that's in there. All fingers, of course. Alright, after that you're going to take the brush, you're going to rinse it with water, and then you're going to, this part of the spongy part is just going to like deliver the chlorhex all over the arms and the hands. So you just kind of want to do this first part to lather everything up and get it pretty sudsy. And then do the next part over here. After that, the next side has these plastic bristles. This is what you're going to use to actually scrub. So start from the top of the arms and work your way down. You also want to do all four sides of the fingers. So top of the hand, and then you do the left side. Bottom. And on the left side. And the top. And you want to repeat it to the other side. After that, you're going to want to rinse off all the soap, the solution. So after that, you want to make sure your hands remain sterile, so don't let them touch anything. Next to this, you'll have an assistant open the pack for you. This will be the gown pack. So they're going to touch the outside part while I touch what's in the inside, because that's the most important, because that's parts that's sterile. And so then once I'm in here, I'll be able to open it up. And then I have my hand towel in here. This is what I'm going to use to dry my hands, because it's much easier to gown up after your hands are dried. And then the sterile indicator tape will be in the middle, showing that it is sterile. So then the next part is I'll pull out my gown. I'm going to put it on, but I don't want my hands to go through all the way through, because I'm going to be doing a closed glove technique. And next you'll have an assistant tie it for you. And then next they'll have them place, or they'll give you the surgical gloves. And you want to make sure your hands are inside doing this technique. You don't want them out. So when she opens it up for you, I'm going to grab it and I want to put this back on a sterile surface. So when you have it out, you want to flip it upside down because it makes it easier to do this technique. So since I flipped it upside down, it's going to be backwards. Left will be here, right will be here. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch this one. And then what you're going to want to do is take the other edge right here where the end of the glove is. You're going to flip it back over. And then that's when you'll put your hand through. And then you'll do the same one to the other side. And there you go. That is how you'll put on gloves using a closed glove technique.